This is my version of MotaBoi's intervention. It's a long gun. I've trimmed the barrel down by 9 connections, I think, and it's still long. I've kind of like taken MotaBoi's stock, which looks good, and given it a 5. Well, taken it off and given the gun a 5-second rocky stock. Just for kicks. I did a nice, neat little ACOG scope, which I made from scratch. I think it looks good. And I made that part wrong, by the way. So don't make that if you're, I don't know, making it from this big or something. Yeah. So it's kind of. As it pulled back, I added this bit. It shoots, but it hasn't got anything in it. Sometimes I pull the trigger back and it goes like this. If I can, like that, which isn't good. And one thing I want to show you is this. Put the gun up. I'm not sure what you call it, but it's a magazine catch, actually. Just remembered. It works by the gravity, really. If you hold it up, this bit, the grey connector, will always hit the floor, and it keeps the mag in. So there you go. That's MotaBoi's intervention. Long ass gun.